Alright, so let's take this old beast out for a little bit of a spin. So we just got done converting it to 12 volt, doing some cleanup work on it, got some gauges in it now. Still got the bigger tires on it, so it doesn't like to turn very well. So I have to wear tennis shoes to drive this because the footwell is so small. But she drives pretty good. Got all the lights working. At some point I gotta get a new radiator for it. Pretty short throw on the transmission. But there's all your instrumentation right there. And the temp gauge doesn't work because I've got that below now, so I got actual numbers. Shifted too soon. First gear is not synchronized, so I couldn't downshift right now if I wanted to unless I come to a complete stop. Got all the 12 volt stuff in it, showed you it in the last video. But so overall, it does a pretty good job. Got to figure out why. I just zip tied up a bunch of wires back here, so I got to figure out why that's not working. Got to get the bench back in here. So, but overall, I think it's running pretty good. So it needs a radiator. There's a spot in the radiator that's wanting to leak. Can't turn too sharp because it's got too wide of a tire on it. I had to put a new exhaust pipe on it because the exhaust pipe leaks. Just a quick little video of taking the truck that my family has decided to call Mater out for a little ride. This is doing okay as far as tip and everything. So I hope you enjoy the little ride along in Mater. Sun is half in the camera. So just a little ride along as we go. Some of this is kind of hard to film just because I'm under the Jeep so much. But hopefully we'll get this out more and have more content where we get Mater out. So hope you like this, and well, see you in the next adventure.